In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Axis Extension with the Move, Rotate, and Scale tools in Cinema 4D. Axis Extension is a simple yet powerful way to make your transformations snap precisely to grid points or to features on other objects, which is perfect for clean alignment. Think of it as temporarily stretching the tool's axis so you can hook onto an exact spot before you move, rotate, or scale. Start by activating the tool you want to use. This works with Move, Rotate, and Scale, so pick whichever suits your task. With the tool active, hover over the axis handle you want to work along, like X, Y, or Z. Now hold Control on Windows or Command on macOS, then right-click directly on that axis. You'll know you're in axis extension mode when the axis turns white. That color change is your visual confirmation that snapping is ready to go. With the axis white, click and drag along it. As you drag, Cinema 4D extends that axis outward and lets it snap onto precise targets. If snapping is enabled in your scene, the extension will lock onto clean points such as grid intersections or distinct object features, helping you align parts perfectly or match edges with confidence. This is especially useful when you need a move to land exactly on a corner, when you want a rotation to use a meaningful reference, or when a scale needs to match a measured distance. The same workflow applies across all three tools. With Move, you're guiding a straight translation along a chosen axis and snapping it into place. With Rotate, you're setting a controlled pivot along a specific axis so the rotation starts from a precise reference. With Scale, you're aligning the scale direction to a clean target so your object scales accurately along that axis. A couple of practical tips will make this smoother. Work in a view where the target is easy to see and zoom in for accuracy. Keep an eye on the white axis to confirm you are still in axis extension mode before you drag. If your scene uses snapping, you'll feel the extension lock onto valid points, which removes guesswork and keeps surfaces, edges, and vertices aligned cleanly. That's all there is to it. Activate your tool, hold the modifier, right-click the axis to turn it white, then drag to extend and snap. With a little practice, axis extension becomes a reliable way to achieve precise, predictable transforms in Cinema 4D.